Muigana wa tablet 11,780 nicio thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi igurite ikereka-ini ria mbere na itanyitwo kuhuthika thibitari-ini 30 cia muingi iria iri rungu rwa kaunti no. Kaunti itacukitie ikinya riri niguo kunina muhatikano uria wonekaga thibitari-ini arwaru makimatha motungata, na itanya inene ria tablet icio ni kuhuthia na kunyihia ndumiriri cia arwaru iria ciandikagwo mabuku-ini.
And this is to make sure that at least when the client are seen, there is efficiency, there is effectiveness, and again we can always make sure that we can retrieve this information when it's required at any given time.
So actually our aim is to make sure that by 31st of this month, 31st of May, we shall have actually completed the digitization in the 30 health facilities.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene thibitari-ini wa Mama Lucy, Ndagitari Martin Wafula, ni mekuhota gutangikira arwaru na njira njega, na oho mahote kuiga rekodi cia arwaru matari na wagagu wa gukorwo ati no ciure.
Kwenye zile hospitali za nyanjani health centers watakuwa na uwezo wa kurifaa mgonjwa kutumia huu mfumo na ufike kwetu ili tukaone yule mgonjwa. Wakati anafika tutakuwa tayari kumuona na kuhakikisha kwamba mambo yanaenda vizuri.
We'll also ensure that we enhance matters to do with the security of the data, and the best way is to make sure that our patients, our clients, our data subjects, they have the overall authority to say when this will be done.
Wafula hamwe noguo eranire thibitari ino no iguthie na mbere kuheana motungata makinyaniru kuri muingi.
Mama Lucy hospitali inapokea wagonjwa 6500. Tunafanya upasuaji zaidi ya 75. So kwa kupata hivi itaongeza mwendo na kasi ya daktari kuona mgonjwa.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.